So let's talk about how we can update our Mac to the latest version, Sonoma. The first thing you want to do is click on this Apple icon, select About this Mac, and click on Software Updates. Then it's going to check for updates and immediately show you the latest version, which is macOS Sonoma. The next thing you want to do is click on Upgrade Now. And then we'll just give it a few minutes and we'll be back. So now that the download is completed, the next thing we want to do is click on the continue icon, and we select all the prompts that comes on, select continue, and then we enter our password, and then it's going to tell us that or show us the amount of time that is left for it to complete installing. So now the installation is complete, so we are going to click on restart. So next you're gonna get a couple of this black installation screen, and your Mac is going to restart several times till the installation is finally complete. So yeah, the installation is complete, and this is what the desktop of Sonoma looks like.